Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Marhan Aisha binti Saman and my mention number is 0820F2021. So, today I'm going to show you how to assemble a table fan. So, before we begin, I'm going to show you the component of this table fan. So the first thing is we need to put this rear guard to the fan. So before we attach this thing, we need to know where is the top and the bottom. As we can see, this thing hold these fans, and this, of course, this is the top one. So we put it here, the right hole. So this is the first step. The second step is we need to attach this screw nut to this rear guard by screwing it to the right, and we must screw it tight so it secure the rear guard. So it won't lose. The third thing is we need to put the flat. This is the important one. We need to put it correctly. Okay, look, like this here. So after we put this plate to this rod, we need to secure it by plate clip. So we attach this thing and screw it to the left, so it will be secure. Look. Okay. So this is the last part of assemble this table fan. We need to put this front guard. So this is the last part of assemble this fan. The last step is we need to put this front guard together with the rear guard. So now let's switch on this fan. Look, it worked perfectly. That's all. Thank you.